Hey there, hope you're doing well. Are your cloth seats in your car dirty, dingy, disgusting, and stained? If they are, I'm going to show you two products that can bring it back to life. Koch Chemie Pol Star, and I'm also using a Vikan textile brush. This process is real easy to do at home, and it'll give you professional grade results. Pol Star really is one of my favorite interior cleaners because it's highly dilutable and can be used on a multitude of surfaces. Cloth, plastic, leather, you name it. It can even be used on Alcantara. So I'm going to start with the cloth seats and we'll move on to some other areas, and here we go. The first thing you want to do is vacuum the surface thoroughly and remove all loose dirt and debris. I've already done that here, so I'm going to skip to the next step. I've got Koch Chemie Pol Star diluted 10-to-1 in a spray bottle. I'm going to spray the surface down, focus on the areas with the most grime, and then take this brush behind it, and then I'll show you that. Full disclosure, this brush is really stiff, so you don't have to get too aggressive. I'm not using any pressure at all, just going back and forth. You'll notice that foam kicks up a lot, so the cleaner's doing most of the work. Now I'm going to go to the bucket where I have a microfiber towel soaked in cold water, wring it out really nice, and just go back to the surface so you can pick up the cleaner. And you may have to do this a couple of times because a lot of the foam kind of sticks for a while. So go back and fold this into fours and just go back and forth and try to pick that cleaner up off the surface with a damp towel. Make sure you focus to get down in these seams. That's where a lot of the dirt goes. So I sprayed this down. It's got so much foam in it, I'm going to use another dry microfiber to pick up some of that. Might even stick this down and into the bucket of water, wring it out, pick it up some more. Looks like we're getting most of it here. It's a quick little process. So, same trick. Can we get these looking nice? Look how nasty that is. You can almost see a line. Probably that's just arm grease right there. So I'm going to use the same trick on this. I'm going to go really fast, basically spray it down, scrub it, and wipe it off with microfiber. So yeah, I think that looks 10 times better, maybe 1,000. Like I said, I'm using it in about 10-to-1 dilution ratio. You can even go even higher with like 20-to-1 for jobs that don't require as much scrubbing. But this job, I knew it's a lot of grime in this old car. It's 20 years old, so figured I'd go 10-to-1. One more great thing about Pol Star is that it actually will work on plastic as well. So I've got this back little plastic area of the seat that's all nasty looking. Get it in there, level it in, butterfly it some. Now just go to wiping this. I have to take this stuff off pretty easy. Now I'm going to take a dry microfiber, go back across this. Looks like it got most everything off of there. Got a couple little scuffs that maybe, might need a little bit more attention. You could probably go with a magic eraser on that, but I'm not so concerned with that as I am just getting the overall amount of filth off of here. So that got done, and then the other thing you can use it on is your door panels. Some into the towel, spray some on your door. Just start going to work there.
See, it foams up real good. And again, this is diluted 10-to-1, so even at 10-to-1, there's a lot of good foam action there. Cleans up real nice. And we'll go behind it with this dry microfiber. Take it and get down into the little grooves where the cleaner still is. I get down into this handle. There's always some kind of grime that gets down in there. And just once again, bring this out a little bit. Get down on that handle. This stuff smells really good too. It just has a real good clean smell to it. Get down on the handle and just get that out of there. Good as new. Looking good. So I'm gonna go through, next video I'm gonna do is cleaning these door jambs. They're pretty bad, so I've actually done the driver's side, but I'm gonna do this passenger side. So check that video out if you want to see how I'm doing this, because this car is in need. Got a lot of stuff, junk in the door, you know, so I'm gonna get all this stuff out and go through that process now. So check that video out. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.